Hello everyone, I'm Shashank. Today we are going to talk not only about what is smash cut but also about how this technique can enhance your editing skill. If you are new to this channel, then please press the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon to get all notification about the upcoming videos on film editing techniques. Before starting with the definition of a smash cut, we are going to understand about human behavior and how an emotional cycle functions for a person. Do you think it is going out of context? Absolutely not. It will further allow you to not only understand the smash cut but also why we use different cuts, transitions and editing techniques. And with a better understanding, you will become a better editor. You all must have witnessed this in hospital or in a movie scene where if a person is breathing, then the machine shows a fluctuation in the graph indicating the heart rates and vitals. The same theory is used in cinema theater also. During the making of the film, different dynamics are used to grab the attention of audience. As a filmmaker, if you succeed in fluctuating the emotional graph of your audience, then it means that the viewer are enjoying your creation. So throughout the film, you have to keep them engaged. Now, let's come to the smash cut. What is smash cut? Smash cut is an abrupt cut or a change in a shot. As an editor, we do it for the different purposes. Like sometimes it is used to beautify the sequence or to pull out emotions. Now it is the responsibility of an editor or a filmmaker to decide when to use it, and using it often can also dilute its impact.
I'm not talking to you anymore.
And you don't want to show me your face.
No!
What is required to make a smash cut? The very first thing is that we need two shots of a different pace along with some sound effects, which can justify the change. If you have planned your smash cut in your script, then it becomes very easy to craft it properly on the editing table. I hope you have learned something new and useful through this video today. So like it and share this video. And if you have any doubt, then comment below. I will try my best to reply to you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel as we are coming up with 25 tutorials on film editing. If you have missed out the previous videos of this series, then check now in the description.